Welcome back to N's Lifestyle. Here we bring some wonderful balcony garden ideas. Creating a balcony garden offers a delightful opportunity to infuse greenery and charm into urban living spaces. One approach is to embrace vertical gardening, utilizing hanging pots, trellises, or wall-mounted planters to maximize limited space. This not only adds visual interest but also optimizes sunlight exposure for various plants. For those with a penchant for herbs and edibles, consider cultivating a kitchen garden on the balcony. Compact vegetables like cherry tomatoes, peppers, and herbs like basil and mint thrive in containers, providing both flavor and aesthetics to culinary endeavors. Additionally, incorporating a mix of plants with varying heights, textures, and colors can transform a balcony into a mini oasis. Cascading vines, such as ivy or trailing succulents, soften hard edges and add a touch of whimsy. Combining flowering plants like petunias or geraniums with foliage plants like ferns or spider plants creates a dynamic visual appeal. Interspersing aromatic plants like lavender or rosemary not only enhances the ambience but also invites pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a biodiverse ecosystem. Moreover, incorporating multifunctional furniture can maximize space efficiency while providing a cozy retreat amidst the greenery. Utilize foldable chairs, compact tables, or storage benches that double as planters to create a versatile and inviting outdoor haven. Adding decorative elements such as fairy lights, lanterns, or wind chimes can further enhance the ambience, transforming the balcony into a serene sanctuary for relaxation and contemplation. In essence, balcony gardening offers endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression while fostering a deeper connection with nature. Whether it's a serene retreat for solitude or a vibrant space for social gatherings, the beauty of a balcony garden lies in its ability to reflect the unique tastes and lifestyles of its caretaker, adding a touch of green magic to urban living. Furthermore, implementing sustainable practices in balcony gardening not only benefits the environment but also ensures the longevity of the garden. Opting for eco-friendly materials such as recycled planters or compostable pots minimizes carbon footprint and promotes responsible consumption. Embracing water-saving techniques like drip irrigation systems or self-watering planters conserves resources while maintaining optimal hydration for plants. Additionally, integrating organic gardening methods, such as using natural fertilizers and avoiding chemical pesticides, fosters a healthier ecosystem and promotes biodiversity on the balcony. Lastly, balcony gardens serve as a therapeutic retreat, offering mental and emotional respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Engaging in hands-on gardening activities like planting, watering, and pruning promotes mindfulness and reduces stress levels. The act of nurturing plants from seedlings to flourishing greenery instills a sense of accomplishment and pride, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Whether it's savoring a morning cup of coffee amidst blooming flowers or unwinding with a book surrounded by lush foliage in the evening, balcony gardens provide a sanctuary for relaxation, rejuvenation, and reconnecting with oneself and the earth.